Ralph. Argentina managed to clear their lines once again. Brazil had committed quite a few players forward there. Neymar, beaten by Montiel. Martinez is on this near side. Here he is. Juan Manuel Martinez challenges there from the defender. That's a penalty. Jean with the challenge. Martinez goes down and Argentina have a penalty kick. Foul by Jean. Was the initial contact, though, actually inside the penalty area or not? Referee said it was. Ignacio Scocco has the responsibility of giving Argentina the lead. Is this inside the area or not? There's the challenge. That's outside. On his international debut, Ignacio Scocco has the opportunity to put Argentina in front against Brazil. Diego Cavalieri stands between Argentina and a goal. Scocco scores! Ignacio Scocco has hardly been on the pitch, maybe 5 minutes at most. Isn't this a well-taken penalty? Goalkeeper goes the right way, but the speed and the height of the strike from Scocco, more than enough to beat Cavalieri. And Argentina lead Brazil 1-0 in the second leg of the Super Classico.